Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to promote affiliate links for free. Basically we are going to add call to action on already created and established article. In this call to action we will add our affiliate URL. I will show you the step-by-step process of do this method. We don't need to buy any kind of stuff or spend money to promote affiliate links via this method. So make sure to watch this whole video to get complete understanding before start this process. Let's start. First we are going to add overlay banner like this. To do that we have to register with sniply.oi. Sniply is a service that allows to build specific links with this pop-up message. So let's create account on Sniply. You can create free account on this website. Also you don't need to add credit card information to create account on Sniply website. So let's start. I click on get started for free button. Then I select this start your free trial button. Now I will enter my name, email address and password. Then I click on create account button. Now you have to add confirmation code. So I go to my Gmail account and I will add the confirmation code. Okay, now you will come to Sniply dashboard and you will see this kind of message. Just click this close button and close it. Now I go to dashboard. In this dashboard we have all details about clicks and conversion of links I built with Sniply. So this is a new account. There has no any kind of details to appear on here. So let's start our work. First of all we have to select a affiliate product to promote. So I will go to Digistore24 marketplace and find a product. In this example I will get this Metrico supplement as a affiliate product. So I already have video about find high quality product on Digistore24. Check that video and find a quality product. So this Metrico product is related to weight loss and fitness niche, but you can use any kind of niche to promote product via this method. Also you can use other affiliate programs like ClickBank, JVSU or any other affiliate program. However, I will go to Sniply dashboard and start the work. Okay, as the first step I have to create the brand. So I click on this manage button and click on brand profiles. In here we have only one brand. If you want to create more brands you have to buy paid plans on sniply.io. But I am going to edit this brand account. To do that I click on this gear icon and click on edit. Then I will upload the profile photo. You can create simple profile photo using canva.com or you can download royalty free image on website like Pixabay or pixel.com. Then I click on upload the photo and I will upload the photo. Okay, I upload the photo related to weight loss. Then I have to add brand name related to weight loss. I will add brand name as weight loss supplement like this. Then I will add this home URL as my Digistore affiliate product promotional link. So if you use ClickBank you have to add hop link in here. Then I click on save. Okay, now our brand profile look like this. Okay, now it's time to create call to action. To do that I click on my brand account and scroll down. In here we have new call to action button. I click on it, then we will redirect to this layout. Now I click on this CTA icon, then I add the message. So my message will be how to drop 1-2 pounds before dinner tonight. Then I will add button text as watch video, because in this Metrico product have a video. If I go to the landing page, this is the video. So I copy this URL again and paste the URL here. Now you can see the preview of our pop-up message. Now I click on continue. In here you can make customization. So I click on finish CTA. Okay, we successfully create our call to action. I can go to call to action, and here we have our call to action. Now it's time to create snipped. To do that, I have to find product related to weight loss. So I will search on Google weight loss tips. So basically you have to find already created and high quality articles that related to your niche. So always try to find articles that write on high quality domains. So as the first result we have how to lose weight fast in 3 simple steps. So this article from healthline.com. If I go inside the article, it will preview like this. I will copy this article URL and try to create snipped. To do that, go here and click on this enter URL and paste the URL here. Now I click on create snip. Okay, here is the original article we get from Healthline, and here is our pop-up alert. Now you can change the pop-up alert if you want, but we already built this pop-up alert. Then I click on snip and it will generate a Sniply shortened links. I can copy this link and share on social medias like Facebook groups, Twitter, LinkedIn, forums, Reddit, or any social media platforms and get ton of traffic to this affiliate URL. As example, if I copy this affiliate URL and open new tab, then I paste the URL here. Now you will see the original article like this, and here is your pop-up message. If someone click on this watch video button, he or she will redirect to our product sales page. Here is the simple and basic way to promote affiliate links for free. Now you have to share this URL without spamming. Basically you can find questions or posts related to weight loss. In my case weight loss. If you promote product related to love and relationship, so you can find post or conversation related to love and relationship and answer the post and give valuable information. At the end of the post you can paste your URL. Also you can go to subreddits and share your URL by providing values. Okay, now I am at Reddit and this is a subreddit called anything. I can create a post in this subreddit. So I create title called how to lose weight fast with 3 simple steps. Then I have to add valuable content here. Then I will add content like this. Then at the end I will add something like click here to read this full article to find more information. So I will copy this, click here to read the full article part and make it a link. I click on this link button, then I copy this Sniply URL we already created and paste it as a link. Then I click on insert. Now I can click on post. Here is the simple way. Also you can go to places like Quora, private or public, Facebook groups, forums and many other places to share your link. Only thing, this is a not long-term method to make money. You can make affiliate sales or you can get affiliate sales faster by using this method, but this is not a long-term success method. This is the short-term method. That is the only downside of this method, but you will be able to make fast money by following this method. This is a really simple method to get affiliate sales without website. I hope you get valuable information in this video. If you like this kind of videos, feel free to subscribe and I will create more video related to this kind of strategy. So if this video is helpful, feel free to share it and like it. I will see you in next time.